Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we are going to start our chapter 3, that is Introduction to Windows 10. In this video we are going to study about MS Windows 10 and we will study about starting Windows, desktop, icons, components of Windows. On page number 26 you can see on your screen that pictures are shown of kids. First, how does the computer understand what we want? So your answer is the operating system software helps it to do so. So now we are going to read more about how the operating system software helps to do work. So let's get started. We know that the computer runs on computer system software. It is an important software which helps us communicate with the computer. With the help of operating system software, we can give instructions and get our work done by the computer. Without operating system, a computer cannot work. My dear students, it is very important. The computer runs, we know that to run the computer we need an operating system software. It is an important software which help us, means us, communicate with the computer. How? With the help of operating system software, where we can give instructions and get back our work done by the computer. And very important thing, that without operating system a computer cannot work at all. So let's continue. It controls the working of different hardware devices attached to the computer like mouse, keyboard and monitor. It keeps the track of all programs on which we are working. Here you can see that operating system software controls the working of different hardware devices which are attached to the computer like mouse, keyboard and monitor. And it keeps the track of all programs on which we are working. So let's continue again. Here some of the popular operating system used in computer and laptop are Linux, Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. You can see here these are the most popular operating system used in computer and laptop. They are Linux, Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. Now my dear students, we are going to start the topic Microsoft Windows. What is it? We know that the most commonly used operating system in computer and laptops is Microsoft Windows. It is a graphic user interface. It is a graphic user interface. To operate the computer, We do not need to remember text-based command. It is easy to learn and use MS Windows. We can work on so many programs at the same time in this operating system. It has small pictures known as icons. The task can be carried out by clicking, pointing and dragging the icons. You can see, my dear students, the most commonly used operating system in computer and laptop is Microsoft Windows. It is a graphic user interface which operates the computer, and we do not need to remember text-based commands. And it is easy to use and learn MS Windows. And how it works? We can work on many programs at the same time in this operating system. And here one small picture you can see on your screen. Here you can see icons. Here it has small pictures known as icons. The task can be carried out by clicking, pointing and dragging the icons. Now we will continue and we will know about the different type of icons. Okay. Now first is starting Windows. We already completed our Microsoft Windows. Now we are going to start our starting Windows. Once you switch on the computer, a screen appears automatically. This screen shows that Windows OS is being loaded in the memory of the computer. This process in which the operating system is being loaded after switching on the computer, and this is known as booting. So now we are going to start about booting. Booting means once we switch on the computer, what appears, a screen appears automatically. You can see on page number 27, pictures is shown that screen appears automatically, and this screen shows that the Windows OS is being loaded into the memory, that is operating system is being loaded into the memory of the computer. And this process in which the operating system is being loaded, after switching on the computer is known as booting. My dear students, it is important to remember that during booting, the computer performs necessary action which makes it ready for using. Let's come to the next page, page number 28. When booting process over, the screen which appear after being booting process is known as login screen. What is known? The screen which appears after booting process is known as login screen. You can see here the login screen which asks you the username and the password. And after that, a computer does not allow any stranger to operate. It can be keep secret. You use your username and password to log in. That's why that is why it asks for the username and password first, that a computer does not allow any stranger to operate anything without your permission. Now here, username is any name created for using the computer. whereas password is a secret key used along with username to unlock the OS, that is operating system. Here my dear students, how you can use login. You can use your username in any name created for using the computer, whereas password is a secret. You cannot share your password with anyone, otherwise the next people can open your ID. So here, whereas password is secret key used along with username to unlock the operating system. This is very, very interesting. Read it once again at your home. Here you can see about fact Genie. Here Paul Allen and Bill Gates were the founders of the Windows OS. Who were the founders of the Windows OS? Paul Allen and Bill Gates were the founder of the Windows OS. So here my dear students, we have completed our Microsoft Windows and static Windows. Now in the next video we will continue and we will start our next topic about the components of Windows. Now your homework is you have to read your page number 27 and 28. I hope you all will read at your home. I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. God bless you.